If you receive strange messages, so Excel tells you that it cannot find a spreadsheet that you know is there, one problem could be the length of your path. So here we've got a very simple spreadsheet, and you'll see it's currently linked, and it's quite a long path. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it, and I've made the path even longer. So I'm going to say take that one, change the source, and you'll see I've actually put a folder where I've got a very long name, and then the file in that folder I've also made an extremely long name. And when I click on it and I say OK, it says you can't open in this location. So the issue here, there's nothing wrong with your hard drive presumably. The issue is just the sheer length of the path is just too long. So to test it, move the spreadsheet to say your desktop, see if it works then. Otherwise, be very careful where your path names are just far too long.